Hey guys, Colleen here. I was gonna come with something good, but then I just flopped. Guys, Colleen here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm probably the very last person on the face of this planet to get the Beautylish Lucky Bag, but I'm like, you know what, who cares? I don't. I'm still gonna unbox it for you guys because I know there are a lot of people who follow me either because of my Facebook group, the beauty chat room group, or just, you know, you just happen to come across, you just want to see it because you're being nosy. Because no lie, I watched as many unboxings of the Beautylish Lucky Bag as possible, and to be honest, I have a lot of mixed feelings on it. For the most part, I think people got their money's worth. Whether what they got is what they wanted or can use is another issue. But I mean, at the end of the day, it is essentially gambling with your money. I did 2 videos last year on the Beautylish Lucky Bag. I would have done a tips and tricks on how to get the lucky bag that you want, and I will put it in the cards above and in the description below, as well as my unboxing. Last year would have been the very first time I took the plunge and gambled my money, and I must say last year I definitely got my money's worth. Had no issues. I was so satisfied with my XL box, and yes, I did get an XL box, that I came back again because your girl just greedy like that. I am throwing in a very teensy tiny haul, and yes, I did pick up the Amrezy palette right at the launch. I think I bought a second one. We will find out. If I do, I may give it to a friend or put it in a giveaway. But this is what she looks like. She's very glittery. And does the glitter come off? Kinda. If you dig at it too much. Yeah, she's really pretty. So, right in time for Valentine's Day. To me, I find this screams more Valentine's than the Kali Bible palette. I bought that the same time I bought the restock of the Tati palette. Now what I like about the Tati, like the beauty packaging and everything, she's been very economical on the amount of waste generated from buying her products, so I really appreciate that. Let me just show you what the box, how it came. Look at the box. Look at the box, guys. She looks so pretty. She looks so pretty. You know, but that box will be so much easier. Sorry, something just fell. So much easier for me to break down for recycling, which I like. And I know a lot of people is comparing this to Morphe, but y'all, this ain't no Morphe. She nicer than Morphe. Alright, let me just put that there, and let's just look at those colors. So I did conduct a poll, and I asked Valentine's Day is coming up, what kind of look do you want to see, which palette you want to use. A lot of people voted for this, so I will be using this in a Valentine's Day look. I don't like to call them tutorials because I'm still learning makeup as well, so I don't think I'm in any position to teach, but she's pretty. Anyhow, let's get to, and let's take a thumbnail. Okay, so your girl got the XL bag, no lie. A couple things before I open this. Number one, depending on the wildness that goes on in this bag, I may or may not retire from competitive shopping, because no lie, to get this XL bag on Boxing Day was pressure, y'all. It was real pressure. I don't know about the rest of you who was shopping on that side, but your girls get heart palpitations. And the funny thing is, I was recovering. I'm still recovering from thyroid surgery, so I was just like, whoo child, why am I putting myself through all this stress? Anyways, so I did slit the thing, but I didn't open it as yet. My daughter did peek. I'm sorry if this is long, but I love to talk. Ooh, this paper real pretty though. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. I will be saving this for wrapping a birthday gift. I have a friend whose birthday is coming up soon, so I shall be wrapping her gift with it. I love how Beautylish wraps their stuff. Like, they are... Okay, I'm already seeing one thing to the top here. They certainly did change it up in terms of... So I'm just going to take out the bundle here, and you can see what your girl got in the first at the top. So I'm just like going to make sure and check. Funny enough, like in years gone by, people would have gotten like gift cards. I ain't seen nobody get gift cards. So alright, that's just paper. Let me put it down here. Yeah. So so I got the Jeffree Star 5-year anniversary lip set. I've seen a lot of people get this in their mystery bags, regardless of whether they bought the Jeffree Star bag, lucky bag or not, which kind of confused me, because I thought if you purchased a regular bag or the XL, you know, you weren't going to get these. I'm not mad at it, honestly speaking. I'm not mad. I actually like Jeffree Star products. It's really good, you know. Okay, so I did swatch the lipsticks. So this is Drug Lord, Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. I can find a lot of uses. Alright, the next thing I have is the Orbe Feather Balm Weightless Styler Brilliant Shine. Oh, that's in French. Style Shine and Weightless Control, developed for finer hair textures. I do have fine hair, surprisingly. I don't do blowouts, but my hair could do with a little polish. I think this might be super duper expensive. I will give it a go. I'm not much of a hair person, you know. Oh, is she pretty though. I did get an Orbe product last year. It was some hair oil, Gold Lust hair oil, which was nice, but you girl ain't paying for no $50 hair product. Like, there's some things I just won't do. But yeah, the bottle are real pretty though. Let me see how this thing smells. I'm one of those who like to smell things too. Sorry. Oh, it smells nice though. Last year, I did get the Silicone Free Priming Moisturizer. And fun fact, I am on the Beautylicious Good Molecules PR list, so they do send me their products, and the last thing they sent me was this. Same thing as this, so I do have a duplicate, but I'm not mad at it. I actually like this product, like really like this product, but it's so inexpensive. I don't mind giving this away. I will give this to a girlfriend of mine to try out, see if I could sway her to come on the good side, you know, that would be okay. Next thing I got is a Stila Iridescent Glitter and Glow set. I didn't know they still had these. It's iridescent. Okay, let's see. Dollar Stylish Embellish. I have a lot of Stila glitters and glows and shimmers and glows, and to be honest I don't mind these either because I like glitter. If you see my drawer with glitters, it's insane. So these are what they look like here. These are like deluxe sizes, and funny enough, with the amount of them I own, I do not have these. So let me just swatch them. I'm gonna swatch them for you. This is Embellish, Stylish, and Dollish here. They're okay, probably not one of the best from Stila because I do own a lot of them, but they will do, you know.
Finally. Let's say finally because we wanted to do this for I got a Sonia G brush and I've seen everybody and the mother. I got a Sonia G brush or a Wayne Goss brush. Last year I got a Ray Morris brush. So I was like, who? And what? I was very appalled when I found out the price of that brush was $68. I was like, what the frick? So this I have here Sonia G Crease 1, which I am very I'm excited here though. I like this. Beautylish, or you don't make me buy these, you know, and these are flipping expensive. Because you make me fall in love with this. You understand? You make me fall in love with this. This is like, this is a brush.
Okay. Especially for the Lucky Bag. Sorry, I had to pop it. It's bubble wrap. Yes, oh god, that one hurts. Alright. But clearly all you don't want me to retire because look what your girl get. Like all you did this now, like release, this now launch, like what the jail? All you. I was talking to my girlfriend, she said she hopes I get this palette. I was like, Gail, I hope so too, but it looking bleak from all the unboxings I saw. It was looking bleak. But all yeah. Now first of all, I love this color. This is a sexy ass color here. Oh my word. Wow. 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 What the mother's condensed milk. All you didn't tell me was this nice. No. This palette is the reason, well the box is the reason why I didn't purchase this palette, because I was like, what would be the odds that Colleen goes and orders this off of the Beautylish website, happened to be lucky enough to get the XL Lucky Bag and then get that. I would have been a pissed, yo. It would have been very hard for me to get rid of that palette because of where I'm located. But anyhow, let's just take in the glory and awesomeness that is the Metropolis Natasha Denona palette. Oh my flipping word, look at that blue. Yay. Wow. I'm going to swatch some. Oh yes. Oh yes. I am completely confused now whether I am going back to buy a third bag. So I am really, really happy with everything I got, and I'm thinking twice about retiring from shopping that madness now. Like, I have been lucky 2 years in a row, you know. Chances are my luck may run out, but you know, I don't know, you do get your money's worth for the most part. I've seen people get less than and customer service rectify that. So I always say Beautylish has, if anything, impeccable customer service, you know. So yeah, so that is it. I'm going to enjoy my goodies. I'm going to put on my face because I have a long day today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please leave a comment, let me know if y'all got like any of the products I got, especially this. Like, oh my god, I hit in 2 for 2 on the Natasha Denona's with the Beautylish XL bags. Like, so very excited. So yeah, so that's it. This video is very long, so I'll go on all here later. Bye.